Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto yogurt smoothie with just 3 ingredients. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this lovely recipe. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment to let me know if you give this smoothie a try and any other smoothies you'd like me to come up with for you. So let me show you how to make it. So let me chat you through the ingredients quickly and then we'll just get making it. So I've got frozen raspberries over here. You can use fresh or frozen raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, any berries you like are usually low carb and keto diet friendly. And now in place of milk, I'm actually using coconut milk, which is rich, high in fat, low in carbs, got loads of nutrient. It really just I love using it. You could use almond milk instead if you want to in the smoothie. And I'm using this organic whole milk natural yogurt, which if you look at the carbs per 100 grams, the carbs it's 6.5, which sugars are 5.7, so 5.7 net carbs per 100 grams. We know you're not going to have 100 grams, we're going to probably have half of that, so just a few carbs for the whole smoothie. So usually a low carb yogurt is a whole natural yogurt like this, Greek yogurt, plain natural yogurt, those ones tend to be the lowest carb and it's good high fat and it's great nutrition. So we're just going to pop the ingredients together and make our smoothie. I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of frozen raspberries going in there. I'm using my NutriBullet, so I'll just pop it in the cup, blend it all together. You could even drink it straight out of here as well if you want. And I'm keeping that 1/4 cup handy, and I'm adding 1/4 cup of yogurt. So it's a nice portion of yogurt. You're not putting too many carbs into it, but you're getting the love of nutrition and goodness from the yogurt in the smoothie. And now what I'm actually doing is going for 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I'm adding 2 of the 1/4 cups. And I find adding also just 1/4 cup of water, which I haven't included as an ingredient, because if you're using almond milk, go for 3/4 cup of almond milk. Because this coconut milk is really thick and rich, I like to just pop a bit of water in. It just works perfectly in this recipe, so I'm just going to pop 1/4 cup of fresh cold water into it as well. And there you go, just got final 1/4 cup of water going in. Now I'll just move it all around, or pop the lid on and pop it on to blend. Here we go, just pop it on to blend. There you go. And now we'll just pour it out into a glass. And here we go, we'll just pour it out into the glass. And that makes a beautiful smoothie, beautiful yogurt. There's loads of other ingredients you can add to it too. If you want to make it into a whole meal, you could add in some protein powder. If you find it a little bit sour, you can add in some stevia. Totally up to you, but that is my idea of a perfect smoothie with yogurt. It's nutritious, it's just so tasty, so lovely. Such a wonderful way to just combine 3 ingredients together and just get a lovely snack, sweet treat, or as I said, a whole meal. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this smoothie a try and any other smoothies you'd like me to come up with for you. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.